My client was manually making certificates for every single student she has in her academy, one at a time in Canva. So every time someone finished a course, her team had to open Canva, retype the student's name and course, and export it, and then email it manually to the student. And this was becoming so overwhelming because now multiply this by every student, every course. You see, this can get so overwhelming. So I built her a fully automated pipeline in make.com, and let me show you how it actually works. So this is make.com, and this is the automation I built for her. So what this automation does that it checks her Google Sheets. Let me show you the Google Sheets. Now this is the Google Sheets. So it checks this Google Sheets for it watch the Google Sheets. So whenever a student name is added here and when the status is toggle to eligible, the automation is triggered. And when it triggered, it's downloaded into a Google Doc. Here is my template here in Google Doc. This is my template. This is a certificate. So for the purpose of this automation, I have to use demo data because I'm trying to protect my client's details. So when the certificate is downloaded, so the certificate is sent to their Gmail and their name is automatically added to the certificate and the course and everything. Then it gets downloaded in Google Drive and in Google Sheets, the issue date is being imputed here automatically and certificate sent is being checked and everything is being done automatically without her lifting a finger. And this is just an error handler here. So we're going to quickly test this automation so we'll see how it works. So I'm just going to be running it manually here. So first off, I'm going to go to Google Sheets and we're going to be using Emmanuel Okoro here. These are all the one I've tested and I'll be using my email. So Emmanuel Okoro here, I'm going to change his status from non-eligible to eligible. Okay, now watch, there's nothing here, there's no issue date, and this place is still not checked. So I'll go back to my make.com and I'll click on where to start because I'm just running manually for now. Okay, so I'll choose where to start. I'm just going to pick Emmanuel Okoro because that's what we're going to be using for our test. So here is Emmanuel Okoro here. So we're going to be picking this and I'm going to click on save and then I'm going to click on run once. So it's running now. So there's a status here. It must only send to eligible candidates. Okay. So, okay. So it's running and it's done. So let's go and check our Google Sheet. As you can see here, certificate sent is checked for Emmanuel Okoro and today's is automatically imputed here automatically. Okay. So now let's go and check our email if we're going to see the certificates. All right. So here's my email. So do you see? So say, hello, Emmanuel, attached is a certificate of completion. We wish you good luck going forward. Best regard, the name of the academy. So let's see what our certificate looks like. Here is what it looks like. So our student's name is automatically added here, Emmanuel Koro, and the date is here, and any other thing can also be added to this place. This can actually be customized to how you really want it. So now let's check our Google Drive. Okay, as you can see here, this is Emmanuel Okoro certificate. So you already have it as a tutor, you already have a copy of the certificate in your Google Drive. This used to take hours every week, and now it runs automatically without her lifting a finger. Why I had to run this manually was because I'm testing this. After creating this automation for her, there's no need to test it because the automation will automatically be turned on. And one beautiful thing about this automation is that this isn't just for course creators. It's not just for people that have academy. Any business that issues something after someone completes a step can also use this automation. For example, training academies that is issuing completion certificates, coaches or consultants that is sending client onboarding docs, membership site that is confirming enrollment, agencies that is sending compliance or completion paperwork, event organizers sending attendance certificates. If your business is still running this manually, certificates, onboarding, report approval, you are losing hours every week. So if you want me to build this for you, if you want something like this built for your business or for your academy, please send me a message and I'm going to reply you ASAP.